Yeah, okay guys, we're back out here in the garage. We got the Ariens up on its face. What's the deal with it? Thing works absolutely mint, except the drive isn't working right. The drive definitely isn't working right. It was working mint until the last time we used it. Then the handle that you squoze started to feel a little different, lighter in tension. And it would almost be in neutral and you pushed it and it would start to go. Okay, so let's see, well, we got some snow coming. If I remember right, it's this bolt, and we take this off, and we can look down in there and see what we got, see what the situation is. I don't think there's any more bolts. So I think it works absolutely mint for the size, absolutely mint. So I definitely want to rectify it. It's gonna sound stupid, but I figured the hard rubber tires would just slide. These actually push, I think, a little faster than this thing can actually handle. So it goes through anything. So let's figure it out. I don't want to scrap it. I'm hoping the part I need is either fixable or still available. How's that? I'd hate to see this thing go. This thing is amazing. It never lifts in the nose because it's so heavy. I mean, I'm built like this, guys. This is 2 snow blows.